I'm holding a beautiful color palette that is the opposite of my color palette. Watch what happens when I reveal my best colors. Do you see how my face totally changes? You don't need a lot of money to look good and feel confident. All you need is the right color analysis. Hi, my name is Alexandra and I've been working in the beauty industry for 10 years as a hairstylist. Over the years, I've helped hundreds of clients to find their ideal hair color and discover their best seasonal palette. This journey led me to create Chromawings.com to help even more people to always look and feel amazing. Color analysis is the best styling tool to elevate your personal style. With my online color analysis, you'll know precisely what to look for when shopping for clothes, accessories or makeup, all without breaking the bank. Imagine having a wardrobe filled with clothes you actually wear and always getting the perfect makeover from a hairstylist. Yes, you'll get all the insights you need to always look your best and discover how to enhance your natural beauty through the power of color. Get your personalized color analysis today and let me transform your life with Chromawings.com. Can't wait to meet you!